Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to get launch access with your Revolut card in 2025. If you travel often and want to relax in airport lounges, I'll show you exactly which Revolut plans give you access and how to use it step by step. First, open your Revolut and go to the cards tab. If you're on the standard plan, you won't have launch access. To lock it in, you'll need to upgrade to Premium Metal or the Ultra plan. Tap your plan, then select upgrade to choose one of these tiers. After upgrading, go back to the hub section and look for Launch Key Pass. This feature lets you access airport lounges worldwide. Some plans include free entries, while others may charge a small fee per visit. And thus you get Revolut card launch access in 2025. It's perfect if you travel a lot and want comfort before your flight. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Revolut tips. See you in the next one.